how to reverse a cavity at home naturally. Have you ever been told that once a cavity starts, it can't be reversed? That the only solution is a drill in the filling? Well, that's not entirely true. Today, I'm going to show you how to reverse tooth decay naturally, right at home, using real science, not myths. Because a cavity doesn't appear overnight. It begins with one simple process: demineralization. When the minerals in your enamel start dissolving due to acids, sugar, and bacteria, your tooth begins to lose its natural armor. But here's the good news: you can rebuild it. Your mouth already has the most powerful healing liquid, saliva. It's full of calcium, phosphate, and other minerals that can remineralize your enamel, if you give it time and the right conditions. So here's what you need to do. Step 1, stop feeding the bacteria. Cut down sugar, snacking, and acidic foods. Step 2, activate your saliva. Use xylitol to stimulate mineral-rich flow and balance your mouth's pH. Step 3, use low-dose sodium fluoride, not the strong one. Just 0.05% mouth rinse twice a day. It accelerates enamel repair without overloading your teeth. And most importantly, give your teeth time to heal. In just 3 to 4 months, early enamel decay can completely harden again. Even deeper decay inside the dentin can stop progressing and start healing naturally. You don't need expensive treatments or painful drilling. All you need is knowledge, patience, and consistency. Because nothing beats a healthy, natural tooth, strong, clean, and alive. Your body was designed to heal. And yes, that includes your teeth.